Hello, dear students. We're about to learn GST 122, that is Communication in English 2, Study Session 1. It is all about registers. What do you mean by registers? Register can exhibit variations in all or some of the elements of language, such as phonology, morphology, vocabulary, syntax, pragmatic rules, or different prosodic features, such as speech, volume, and intonation in spoken form of a language. For example, the vocabulary of scientific English can differ from the vocabulary of the language of law or politics. With regards to register, there is no end to the number of different variations that can be identified, because in every field of human and therefore every language is used. Where language is used, rather, there is the tendency for that language to be different or unique in particular elements or situations. Thus, you can recognize an endless number of registers with clear boundaries. When you have studied this section, you should be able to define register, identify, and use various types of register. Register, as I've said earlier, is used in language study to refer to the form a language is used for a particular purpose in a particular situation. It distinguishes between variation in language according to use, that is, context of situations such as formal or informal settings or written speech situation. Registers are words used in particular field of study to describe things, people, and activities. It is used by a group of people who share similar work or interests, such as doctors, lawyers, engineers, etc. Simply put, register refers to the degree of formality of language. There are so many types of register, and some of which are register of communication and the media, register of law, register of medicine, register of religion, register of science, biology, and geography, register of agriculture, register of sports, etc. However, the focus is on the way you as a language user have a choice in the form of language you use. Through particular situation, dictate that choice. For example, the type of English used in courts and legal documents is necessitated by the settings, which of course differ from the type of choice a biologist will use in describing or discussing biological experiments. The types are, as I've said, in the types of register, we have communication and the media, register of law, register of politics and government, register of medicine, register of religion, register of science, biology, geography, etc. We also have register of agriculture, register of sports. Register is defined in another way in terms of uniqueness, vocabulary items that are used and which identify a particular field. This is the non-technical terms used generally to refer to the written or spoken for a language that journalists use. Please remember that this is under register of communication and the media. The features of register of communication and the media are such as budding, disaster, dream, fantasy, glamour, horror, nightmare, terror. We also have adjectives that journalists do use, like amazing, bizarre, catalymic, devastating, heart-stopping, heartwarming, etc. We also have euphemism such as confirmed bachelor. Confirmed bachelor simply means is homosexual man, constant companion, that is a lover, fun loving of. This is used for women, sexually free and easy. etc. Features that can be attributed to this register include the extensive use of cliches, such of use of a neologism, preference for superciliousness, use of sensational adjective, occurrence of occasional, unusual, or faulty syntax, packing more detail than usual in the first paragraph of stories, use of striking words or graphic detail to attract interest. You have to know that journalists register events and actions are given emotive and romantic coloring by the use of certain nouns and adjectives. There is also preference for words with one syllable, that is monosyllabic words, and words with two syllables, disyllabic words. For instance, pull for election, blast for explosion, jobless for unemployed, homeless for destitute. We have emotive and inflated expressions such as FIFA for excitement, as we have in World Cup FIFA Grace Barcelona, rage for fury for anger, fury for poll tax, striking or cripple for disabled, glory for any sporting achievement, storm and roar for controversy. Example C. We still have words with example of words from the field of information, communication and technology, that is ICT, desktop, laptop, central processing unit, CPU, keyboard, mouse, website, internet, Twitter, Facebook, email, etc. Let us move to the regs under law. When you are talking of legally, it's a term used to describe a type of technical writing mainly used by lawyers, judges, legislators, and others in law profession to express legal matters. It is characterized by reliance or citation of authority and precedent, specialized vocabulary or jargon, complex syntax, and extreme use of the formal style. You need to know here that legal writing extensively uses technical terminology that can be categorized into four. One of this category is specialized words and phrases unique to law, such as tort, fee simple, and novation. 2. Words having different meanings in law. For example, action for lawsuit, consideration for support for a premise, execute to sign to effect, and party a principal in lawsuit. 3. Archaic vocabulary. Legal writing employs many old words and phrases that were formerly custodian's language, but today exist only in law, dating from the 15th century. English examples are herein, hereto, hereby, heretofore, whereas, whereby, and therefore, said, and such as adjectives. Loan words and phrases from other languages in English language. This includes terms deriving from French, estopper, lattice, voidere, Latin. From Latin, we have cetere, habeas corpus, prima facie, inter alia, menstrual, sub judice, and are not utilized as English legal language as would be foreign words in mainstream English writing. We still have register of government and polities. This is used to refer to the type of register typically used in official communication in offices, in government and politics. Examples of words regarded as official include allowance, approval, arrears, consultation, remuneration, implementation, directive, retrenchment, query, etc. Examples of phrases regarded as official include please act, standing regulation, in respect of, keep in view, that is KIV or KIV, pay as you earn, payee, etc. Examples of register of government and politics include executive, legislative, judiciary, ballot box, constituency, electoral commission, bill, affidavit, voting age, political party, despot, democracy, nomination, nominee, electorate, plaintiff, defendant, accused, and decree, etc. Register of medicine. This is used to refer to the type of register typically used in the field of medicine and, of course, sometimes in hospitals and clinics. Examples of these words and expressions include diagnosis, operation, stature, infection, treatment, blood pressure, hypertension, call duty, viral infection, signs and symptoms, therapy, physiotherapy, theater, etc. Also, we have register of religion. Firstly, let us define what religion is all about. Religion can be defined as an organized collection of beliefs, cultural system, and worldview that relate humanity to an order of existence. It is necessary for you to know that several religions have narratives, symbols, and the sacred histories that are intended to explain the meaning of life and or to explain the origin of life or the universe. This register covers words that are associated with all religions, such as Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Judaism, etc. Examples of these are words used in the field of religion as rituals, sermons, commemoration, or veneration of a deity or gods, or goddesses, sacrifices, festivals, feasts, trances, initiations, funeral services, matrimonial services, meditation, prayer, music, art, dance, public service, or other aspects of human culture. These are what constitutes the register of religion. You need to be aware that the word religion can be used interchangeably with words such as faith, belief system, or sometimes set of duties. Register of science. Science has been described as a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predications about the universe. The branches of science include physics, chemistry, geology, and biology, while a practitioner of science is known as a scientist. The register of science includes words such as astrophysics, astronomy, atom, beaker, biochemistry, biology, botany, obscene, burner, burette cell, chemical, chemistry, climate, climatologist, control, cuvette, data, datum, electricity, electrochemist, element, energy, entomology, evolution, experiment, graduated cylinder, graffiti, hypathology, hypothesis, ethology, immunology, laboratory, laws, magnetism, mass, matter, measure, metrologist, meteorology, microbiology, microscope, mineralogy, molecule, motion, observatory, organism, antithology, paleontology, particle, phase, physical, science, physics, pipetta, etc. Lexile of agriculture. First, agriculture is the cultivation of animals, plants, fungi, and other life forms of food, fiber, biofuel, medicinal, and other products used to sustain and enhance human life. Lexile of agriculture. The lexile of agriculture include words such as shifting cultivation, intensive pastoral farming, subsistence cultivation, commercial cultivation, mixing crop cultivation, dairy farming, dry farming, extensive arable farming, market gardening, fruit and salad vegetable, seed farming, plantation or tree farming, extensive pastoral farming, etc. E.g., we also under pastoral farming we have hill sheep farming, organic farming, bio-extensive farming. Lexile of sport. Sport is all form of usually competitive physical activity through causal or organized participation. It aims to use, maintain, or improve physical ability and skills while providing entertainment to participants or spectators. There are many types of sports. There are those that require only two participants, to those with hundreds of simultaneously participants, either in teams or competing as individuals. We have a lot of registrars on that sport, ranging from the lexile of sport ranging from acrobatic, aikido, archery, auto racing, autocross, badminton, baseball, etc. Thanks for listening.